So as we move forward to the next model unit, which is the Abigail model unit, so it's somehow similar with the Julieta
yes, sir,
model.
Alan, tama po. So si Abigail and Julieta are same layout na sa loob. Both of them are open layout. Ang pinaka main difference lang talaga is the front design ni Abigail.
Okay.
Which is si Abigail kasi it has a full glass design and the touch of light brown color.
But when it comes to lot area and floor area, almost similar talaga.
Yes.
As in standard of 100 square meter of lot area and 135 square meter of floor area. As we've entered again with the house, it comes with the 2-car garage.
Yes, sir, Alan. Same with the Julieta model, ganun din. 2 cars, kasya SUV and van, pasok na pasok siya.
And of course, right beside the car garage is the garden. So, landscape na, naka-landscape na yan, diba?
And ito yung sinasabi ko, Sir Alan. So, ito yung pinaka-main difference niya from Julieta. This one is, it has a full glass design. And also, the color, syempre. So, yun lang ang pinagkaiba talaga.
Yes. Again, single detached din to. So, you have also the provision for your lanai.
Yeah.
So, this will be your lanai that has an access to your dining area.
So yun, pwede ka rin mag-set up ng tables here, gaya sa Julieta, yung chairs. Pwede kayo magpahangin or mag-coffee in the morning.
Eto, this is it. This is what we're looking for actually. So, etong very spacious na backyard nyo, you could, you know, have a chill,
pagka may mga event kayo, ito yung sinasabi ko, you can have a table here at the back. May mga bisita ka, pwede mo silang patambayin dito. May privacy between ng mga dumadaan. Hindi kayo masyadong kita.
Exactly.
So, yan, Sir Alan, no? So, kagaya ni Julieta, yung mga metal included na yan.
And the metal louvers.
Ito yung magiging space mo pa rin sa likod. Then, nasa side yung ating dirty kitchen or service area.
Yes. So, every houses dito sa, especially here in the Philippines, are really fond of having a dirty kitchen.
Yes. Lalo na dito, Sir Alan, pwede mag-multitask talaga si wifey. Kasi ang kanyang washing machine is here, pwede siya magbanlaw while cooking.
Yes.
So parang napaka-convenient talaga.
Exactly.
So magkatabi na siya.
So as we've entered the house, so you will be greeted of course with your living area, which is again fully furnished. Yung deliverables natin dito comes with the sofa, with the curtains, with the cove light ceiling. Diba?
So yun, gaya ni Julieta, open layout din siya, Sir Alan. Spacious na spacious. Parehong-pareho na sila. So yun lang talaga sa front yung pinagkaiba.
Yes.
Same with the Julieta, Sir Alan, 6-seater tayo sa ating dining. Yung ating lanay, doon. And
you have an access.
Formal kitchen. So may mga storage.
Even the blinds kasama.
Yes, Sir Alan, kasama.
And even the, of course, air condition, pendant lights
are included sa previous na.
Pin lights.
So, same, meron din siyang mga pull-out trays.
Sir Joni, how about this? Kasama kaya tong mga fruits na to?
Pwede, sir, yan. Talagang ano yata yan? 20 per kilo.
Yan.
So, ito yung mga stories.
So, ayun. Pinaka-favorite ko talaga yung mga storage na inclusions niya. Kasi, lalo na sa mga OZ dyan, yung, di ba, gusto nila very organized talaga yung mga gamit nila. So, you could really make use out of or make the best out of it,
talaga,
diba?
Sir. Kasi dito talagang mas ganado ka mag-prepare kasi pag malinis yung surroundings.
Correct. So again, this is not only for a display or for a model unit only, but it comes with the 2-door refrigerator already.
Yes, sir. Kasama na sa ating promo yan.
And even, of course, sir,
yung ating mini pantry. So may mga shelves din po yan na kasama. Then additional meron din tayo storage at the top. So tatlo yan.
Yes.
Then at this side, yung pa din, yung kanyang bathroom for the ground floor. So included na even shower enclosure, yung ating lavatory, the mirror, shower head.
Every model unit comes with a bedroom on the ground floor, right?
Yes, sir. Tama pa.
So again, you could really make parang ano dito?
Guest room.
Guest room.
Pwede. Or for the
Office.
parents, yung mga ayaw na umakyat, they can use this one. Then,
For the
same-
senior citizen, di ba?
Opo. Then, meron din tayong storage din dito na napaka-spacious din. Yes, sir.
So as we move forward sa
Yeah.
upstairs, no, sa second floor,
Yan. Same with the Julieta, sir. Meron din tayong mga striplets sa ating stairs.
so dito sa hallway, it comes also with the full glass mirror
Mhm.
na again,
Kasama na.
Kasama
sa
na,
previous
and
natin. Pwede ka mag-OOTD dito ulit
Mhm.
bago ka lumabas. Kita mo yung buong outfit mo kung ba.
and yung mga mirror talaga are very helpful
Yes,
to make it
Alan.
more
Yes.
spacious na
Oo.
tignan, di ba?
Yes.
Again, I am really excited with the master's bedroom.
Yes,
di
Sir
ba?
Alan. So ito yung mapapansin mo, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na full glass design.
Mm-mm.
So para kami patagaytay view dito.
Oh, nice.
Parang panoramic view mo. Parang kitang-kita mo. Lalo na maganda to pag in the morning. Pag nagko-coffee ka or gusto mo nagbabasa-basa ka,
Mm-mm.
pwede ka dito. You can have a peace of mind. You can relax, chill, whatever you want to do. Pwede.
Yes. Ayun, napaka-aesthetic talaga ng vibes
Mm.
ng mga bahay dito ng Sir Jody.
Yes, Sir Alan. Then also, meron din siyang storage sa headboard. Yeah. Then, his and her cabinets, yung mga ating pin lights, ganyan na siya.
Since this is again a master's bedroom, so you have your own toilet and bathroom here. So, kasama na din yung shower enclosure, lahat. Everything is already included.
Yan, Sir Alan. So, ito naman yung bedroom 2
Bedroom 2.
ni Abigail model. So, ito manly naman yung design
Oh.
niya talaga.
With no bias nun, Sir Joni, yung pinaka-favorite color ko talaga is blue. So,
Yeah.
gustong-gusto ko yung
So, sakto sa'yo
pagka-interior.
siya.
Oo nga.
Para sa'yo daw talaga.
Oo
yung
nga.
room na to.
Oo. As in,
Mm.
the interior and everything is very cool lang. Na
Yung
color.
parang Sir Alan, pag uwi mo, pagod ka sa work, yung
Hmm.
pagpasok mo, gusto mo talaga mag-relax, magagawa mo dito.
And for our last bedroom,
So kung merong para kay kuya, syempre meron din para kay ate.
Ate, oo.
Di ba?
so really perfect for family na
Mm.
growing family, no? So
Yes,
we have really room for every family members.
Oo. Talagang ma-enjoy nila. Kasi sa rooms pa lang, kanya-kanyang rooms pwede. Hindi
Yes.
sila mag-aagawan.
Correct.
So Sir Alan, dito sa ating second floor, so nandito yung ating
Commented.
toilet. So for the bedroom 1 and 2, meron silang magagana. Same, all the inclusions natin dito, yan kasama na yung mga wood design natin, the mirror, yan. Kung paano yung siya nakita, ganun na rin siya sa turn off. So yun Sir Alan, anong masasabi mo sa Abigail model?
So Abigail and Julieta model are almost similar
Yes,
when it comes to layout,
Mhm.
when it comes to floor area, lot
Mhm.
area, na maximize talaga yung space, no?
Yes, sir.
And then yun nga na halos pareho lang talaga.
Yes, so
Diba?
depende na lang din kay client kung anong mas prepared niya nakikita sa labas.
Mm.
Which is kung gusto niya bang prepared niya yung full glass design, that is the Abigail model. Kung gusto niya naman nung merong pa-canopy design, that is the Julieta model.
So that's why the developer, si Herencia de Julieta, nagkaroon ng gantong concept for the clients to choose from the
Yes, may
available
pagpipilian
units.
talaga
Yep.
sila.
Kasi sa totoo lang, every client has their own preferences.
Tama.
So depende na lang sa kanila kung
Mhm.
anong magugustuhan nila, 'di ba?
Yes.
And the most exciting part to our house tour today is the price, 'di ba?
Yes, Sir
So
Alan.
most of our viewers and potential clients are really curious kung how much ba to, since it's already a fully furnished house and lot package with the with the design, the furnitures,
Everything,
the
yes.
appliances,
Curtains.
curtains, everything is already included.
Bed frames.
Mag-move in na lang talaga,
Yes.
'di ba? So how much is the starting price natin ba?
So for Madonna Residences, we have a 3 phases here.
Mhm.
So we have the phase 3, phase 2, and phase
Phase
1.
1.
So for now kasi Sir Alan, yung phase 3 natin is sold out na.
So ganun kabilis.
Ganon kabilis. Since we started last year lang. So now, phase 3 is sold out. Ngayon sa phase 2 naman namin, almost 60 to 70 sold na siya.
Mhm.
So from that price point kasi, ang starting natin doon for the Melcon or lahat ng ano natin is ranging 7.350
Mhm.
and above.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, depende pa kung anong specific block and lot yung kukunin nyo. Especially if you're eyeing for a corner lot.
Yes sir, alam for the corner lot kasi may mga different naman yung price natin doon, and also may mga price din for the excess lot. Kasi ang standard natin is 164. Yung bahay, yung inikutan natin, this is a 164. Sa mga corner lot kasi meron tayong 177, meron nga 290. So pagka ganun, meron tayong corresponding na price for the excess lot.
So that's why you have to message us for more information, and we're more than happy to guide and help you from the ocular visit to the documentation and even sa pag-apply ng loan for the bank, no? So up to turnover ng fully furnished house and lot nyo. And again, feel free to message us with this number, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yun nga, again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty, where we find homes.